First and foremost, I do want to talk to you guys about some of the experiences that I have had. This is a drop yard, and as you guys can see, they do have porta potties out here. Me personally, I don't like to use the porta potties because I do feel like it's not as clean as you think they are. Matter of fact, with it just being outside itself, to me lets me know that it is not clean. No matter if you're connecting or disconnecting from a trailer, always be sure to check your kingpin, your airlines, and your landing gear. Less traffic during certain hours of the night is also a plus or a pro when it comes to trucking at night, because you do typically deal with less traffic, and less traffic is actually out when trucking at night. Something else that I really love about trucking at night is when I get to stop at these truck stops, there isn't a line for food. So I do really appreciate the fact that we have Subway in some of our truck stops. I wish we had more healthy food selections in some of these truck stops. So this is the very next day of me making Honey Nut Cheerios for breakfast. I really enjoy my silk milk and my Honey Nut Cheerios, especially on a lazy day where I don't feel like actually cooking breakfast. And I always keep my utensils and my bowls and things like that above my refrigerator. And as of lately, I've been really receiving a lot of live load and live unloads. Now, me personally, you know, when I first started, I didn't really like live loads and live unloads. But when I realized that it gives me enough time to get sleep, to make content, to edit, you know, on top of my 10-hour break, I've just found different ways to utilize the time and hours that sometimes truckers spend at these shippers, receivers, and etc. to use that extra time of waiting to do something productive. And here's the boots that I've been dying to get my hands on for I don't know how long, guys. I don't know why, but this style is just so sleek and so clean to me. I really love these boots.
To the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suites on the pod. To the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground.
As you guys can see, there were mud and puddles and cracks and holes in the roads. You know, it was lots of mud. It was very wet. You can tell it had been raining for a while because of the puddles and how steep they were. Right now, it's just me disconnecting from my trailer. You know, I did a lot of pickups and drop-offs this night. So, you know, it was a very interesting and long night, you know, of just dropping off and picking up trailers from here and there in different parts of Texas. There will be times you'll drive at night and get sleepy, no matter if you're fully awake or just got out of a deep sleep. you will still somehow want to drift off into La La Land while driving. So some things that actually help me is good music, having snacks or drinks near my seat, and having a good conversation on the phone.
Truck to the plane to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suites on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got.
And something that I really enjoy is checking the number of the trailer before I connect to it and when I pull out from it, simply because there have been times where I have heard my friends who are also other truckers tell me about how they have grabbed a trailer and the number was off, and so they're literally carrying the wrong trailer, so it's always a great tip to always be sure to recheck.
Go through underground garages, presidential suites on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it's going. Truck to the plane to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suites on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it's going.
Here is just me reconnecting or coupling to a trailer, and this is the trailer number. Truck to the plane to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suites on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one. Truck to the plane to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suites on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one. Truck to the plane to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suites on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she
say she got a man.